fine, bro.
You good?
I'm good.
Bro, I'm telling you, ilikuwa the day before today. Nilienda in the market. You know, when I went to the gym, right? So I need to eat.
Yeah.
So I went to the market to buy some cassava. And you know, from the place where I live to the market, it's 30 naira. So when I called the KK guy, I told him, bro, come and take me to the market. So he came, then we went. I gave him 200 shillings. You see, so he had to give me the change of 70 naira. And then I gave him 200 shillings. The funny thing, he gave me the change of 500. 500. So I was like, yeah, excess. He gave me the excess change.
Yeah.
So I was like, my brain started, you know, asking me the question. Should I like put this money and go with it? Then I remember M and M. The more poor you are, the more poor a person is, the more evil he is. Yeah. So I was like, no, I'm not poor. I did not be poor now. I told the guy, you are giving the excess change. Yeah. She was like, thanks man, you're very different. You know, many people when they get extra change, they can't give you back. You know, I was like, bro, it's M&M thing. You know. So I went to the market, I bought yam. The funny thing is like forces attract
forces. Yeah.
You see? So I took cassava, big cassava. I'll show you, man, very big. The woman who was selling me cassava, she was like, man, take extra. Yeah. You didn't see? She gave me extra cassava. So I was like, I did not have money. She was like, no, don't worry. Take this is for you. You seem to be like a good guy. You know, take this to your wife. May your wife cook for your pikins and everything. So I was like, So I want to talk this. My people, will they be your people now? If you're watching a man, they subscribe to that button. You do not know how God gonna bless you. You see, if you click that button, you subscribe, you like, you share, God gonna be like, this person, if they like a man podcast. Let me bless this person now. They be your people now. You understand, bro? Yeah. Today is an amazing day, man. Yeah, we got some guests, man. Yeah. Guy, a vision-like resemblance.
This is the Kenyan version of Jimi Hendrix.
Jimi Hendrix, man.
Yeah, you can see, yeah.
Bro, nitacha introduce. Unajua generation ya sahi.
Okay,
generation ya sahi, you know, you can say he's a he, maybe he's a you know what I'm saying, right? Let him introduce himself, bro.
He looks like Jimi Hendrix.
Yeah, I go by the name Willy Moya. Kwa platform zote, FB, Instagram, Willy Moya. Kwa jina usanii najiita Moya Will. Moya ni my name, but Will, I will, yani nitaweza. So it's the name that I was given by my friend. You can stick now and Moya Will.
I will.
Yeah,
Moya Will. I will.
I will.
It's like you are saying like I'll do this.
Yeah, exactly.
So I want to tell us like, bro, I'm singing with the guitar. Like, are you a guitarist? Are you a big guy? Like, tell me.
I'm a singer, songwriter, and I'm a guitarist.
Guitarist.
Yeah, man.
Professional guy.
Yeah, man.
The finger guy.
Yeah.
The finger. Bro, the finger guy.
You must figure the guitar to figure out the song.
My guy, can you just, you know, I know audience will want to know, bro. You can't just talk, you know. You have to show the action.
For sure.
Give us some, you know, rhythm, man, you know, music.
Kitu hapa.
Yeah,
man.
Ukinipenda mimi nawe hadi mwisho wa kalenda. Mimi nakupenda, najua unanipenda. So baby nikubali mimi niwe nawe. Na hapa ya kwamba nitakupenda hadi atakapo Mola. Nikikuona ninapagawa siku silali na kuota wewe. Minaota tukiwa na watoto, minaota tukiishi kwa rana baraka tele. Toka kwa Mola, kuche mina wewe, kuche mina wewe, kuche mina wewe. hujui to play. Lakini mimi na wewe till the end. Machana na wacha waseme, lakini takupenda milele. Kucha kucha wewe, kucha kucha wewe, kucha kucha wewe. Sitadanganya.
Yo.
Nasema kweli mama, yelele mama.
Wow.
Yo, bro.
Manga.
May I got just one question for you, man?
I told you.
Like seriously speaking, does guitaring, like the act of doing the guitar, right? Does guitaring has the way of calling people? Cause bro, kuna watu wenye hawezi fanya guitar, like the boys, man. Like for me, I'm like, you know what I'm saying, right? Like, do you like? How did you end up knowing that you can do or sing or play guitar? Like, was it an angel who just came to you in a dream? So like, yo,
Yeah.
I will. How did you come and start playing guitar? How did you like?
Unajua kila kitu inaanza mahali.
Yeah.
So ni kitu ilianza kitambo nikiwa mdogo. And when I was a child nikiwa mdogo, I used to like nikienda kufanya homework. Ilikuwa tu na dina kufanya homework, I just go back of the book. Napata tu nimesikiza ngoma like mahali, unapata nimeziandika, unaona. So ni kitu nilianza nayo. Nili find out like nikiwa bado mdogo.
Oh, so like something just comes in like.
Yeah, it's something that you feel deep in you. Like
It's a calling.
Yeah, it's a calling.
It's
Yeah.
a calling.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Something that in a kufinya you have to do it. Everywhere you go, like you have to do it. Like in a kuhunt, yeah.
This you come and beat. Ama ni ukweli. Mimi usianga si play guitar sana na Sims man. Like Mazucheza guitar wana Sims. I don't even it's true.
But I agree bro. Ukicheza guitar bro, nani madega ngapi utapata guitar?
Like have you ever seen someone prove your
I-
guitar?
no.
Kitu imekuletea madem kama ngapi? Madem ngapi ushaikuwa guitar? Niambie ukweli.
Let me tell you kwanza a history.
Give us.
Instrument, it's not easy by the way.
Yeah.
Any stuff unaweza buy any instrument, either piano, wachane now if you don't have a calling or something that it's in you. So me kusema mziki.
Yeah.
For me, inafanya like idea, like na spread good vibe. I inspire with this one.
So you want to tell me, bro, like seriously speaking,
Yeah.
ujai tuka chini siku ya Valentine, ama birthday of your babes, na ukaanza tu kuzifinga, kuzifinga, ukiimba hizo
Na
love song.
Unajua hata si gospel hiyo ni.
Yeah, for me, naweza sema muziki, it's not about like lazima you sing to a woman. Something it's like unaweza go like una go through a lot in life, but when you have this one, or you just sing, say you like pata like kuna stress kibao, but if you listen to a song, not even a gospel,
Yeah.
but a secular song, inakujaza in that they inakupea hype. Uko na depression like stress, but hiyo story like inaisha.
So I got a question.
Yeah.
A question like, for you to play guitar, you must have hands, right? The person who doesn't have hands obviously is play guitar, right?
Yeah.
So what you're trying to tell me, like in one way or the other, it's don't you ever injure or cut the hand that fingers your guitar. Right?
For me, you know,
because you injure your hands, I'm sure you can't play the guitar, right? So never injure the hand that fingers the guitar, right?
Yeah.
so tunasema like you don't predict, you just pray. Hii kitu like ikuwe consistent, like it's like how you wake up early in the morning, unasema God just bless me and protect and so nikaa like protect fanya hii kitu each and every day.
So unataka kusema hakuna siku shake kuna dingine.
Huh?
Hakuna dingine kuna kitaa.
Now ukianza like ukiona tu mahali unacheza, but it's all about the mindset.
Kuna.
The goal that you
I can
and the plan that
I
you
can't
have.
believe. Bro, sasa hivi ndio.
Unaona kucheza guitar. Talking about kula madenge, me believe kitu moja about guitar guys. They say if you're a professional guitarist, you guys, you, whenever you do the fingering, you always leave the fingerprint on the wet spot. See you kweli? Unakuwa like finger works bro, you act your finger guitar bro ni crazy.
Unaguza guitar na maji na kicheza sasa hiyo nini?
You know the funny thing, nikishika ile instrument, kitu like hii kitu inanga mwisho. You just learn it each and every day. So if you have that mentality like anafanya hivi because you are crazy, like itakuwa hard. Ile kitu like I want to be better like more than nilikuwa leo si vile nataka kuwa kesho. So hiyo mindset like
acha kutupoteza.
Anaongea church sio
Hizi ndio tunasema. Sio tunataka ukweli tunasema. Ndio jambo vile mchepika wangu.
it's true like obvious.
Like tell us usituambia hiyo. Don't inspire, just tuambie sasa hiyo experience yani ndio mshaikuta.
By the way,
tell us
audition maybe you may have auditions,
maybe.
right?
Yeah.
Like maybe the parties or
kuna
whatever.
demo mshaikuja kwa choo.
Alright, tell us about the party. You can party, maybe club or perform.
Yeah.
I'm sure people will
Tell us any story.
always focus on it, right?
Yeah.
Especially ladies. Let's just be honest.
Yeah.
Ladies know they are attracted to men who do crazy things. They do guitar, they do, I don't know, gymnastic, whatever, you know, because they believe a man who has skills. Yo, it's crazy down there. But let's talk about you. How? Has it ever happened?
Yeah, kinaweza mpea story like nikianza. Nilianza kucheza guitar and I was singing. So kwa hiyo bogi like people like you are hanging around. Unatemba likam katikati na likwambia.
Based mbogi.
Yeah, bogi, sino.
Demo mbogi.
Yeah, and kuna vile tu walikuwa naona like anajaribu like nionyesha the sign. But for me nilikuwa na assume because nilikuwa na ile nini, but fortunately hata bogi ilikami kaniambia unacheza guitar.
A single.
And yeah. So temptations ziko kama dance but si ati mimi napenda kuwa real. Okay, kuna wenye wata nice because unacheza, kuna temptations here and there, but don't lose focus. Si ati mbili basi, but mimi naongea kitu.
Wagon, but nikuulizaje? Kuna demo mai kupiga tu simu kama my birthday play for me the guitar. Right? Sio. Kuna mama kwa demo penda kuja tu niimbie kwa birthday yangu. Then when you ulifika hivi, things turn into, you know, Romeo and Juliet. Ilia
Ile shai happen, kuna dem kadhaa tu anakuambia just sing for me. Lullaby song.
sing. So did you sing?
Yeah.
I just sing like sing.
Did you sing?
Zero.
You fingered the guitar?
Yeah, you played the instrument at once.
Really, like, I
Hapo
just-
siku ulicheza instrument mbili.
Niliomba tu just able to be like that, even an instrument unambia like okay, you want to do that.
Atukamwambia Mungu.
You sing along, akalala, vitu like vitu will happen, like it's there, but there.
You sang lullaby song to a lady, a beautiful,
I will never.
a girl ganyas, utambumbu, and she
Just
slept.
promote pia what you're doing. So
Don't promote him,
So,
yeye ni kusema.
Yeah.
Yeye ni kusema.
Yeah, by the
Unaweza
you
imbia
sing.
dem?
No, I can't. Man. How Butela Mateng? How do I sing?
Yeah.
I don't sing.
Alcohol. Papa. Dela wote. Kila wote.
Yeah.
Imagine
But
kuimbia dem.
umse kongesema madem, mimi nataka nimpatie dem moja. A Western woman, Mluya. Mimi nataka date Mlunje. You know when you did wafula ama nekesa. Unajua nekesa kiona hii, unajua penye umeweka hapo. Unajua nakwambia bwana leo umepepa mwiko kubwa. Unajua hata jua kama ni gitaa. Anaonekana ni mwiko.
Oh, imedira kama mwiko.
But what is the worst experience? The MM experience. Okay, let me try to
Analyze
analyze the MM. Yeah, for the audience, I know people may wondering what is MM, right? MM experience is whereby the mom experience, whereby there's someone you trusted the most, right? Mso wa karibu sana. Because you know most people kauliza, who do you trust the most? Mom. My mom, you know. MM. Like the person you trusted, akaenda akakuspin hiyo wheel, akakudisappoint, akakubackstab nini, like so for you. is there any incident that might happen about maybe the music or just life and maybe my bigger like it could joke and fuck,
Yeah.
this is crazy.
Yeah, for sure ziko. Yeah, there was a time I have a bogi penye tunaimba nao pia. And
group of friends.
yeah, there was a platform ilikuwa come through. Akatuahidi vitu mob. Going to do this to create opportunity for you guys. Tukaplan kila kitu, tukaorganize. But later wallahi ikakuwa disappointed. Yeah.
So obviously kwa sure ulikuwa na ile front like to
Yeah, like it's a breakthrough. Mazee inaenda nao kuenda, lakini at the end of the day it's a bullshit. Ziko sana.
Unajua nimegundua most music artists hao wenye wanaanza. It's like unapata msana wa chochanga ana choice. Unaona maybe the manager of a certain club ama zilo mchifulani akwambia kuja perform. Come and perform, I will pay you.
Yeah.
So for you be like you're still starting, right? You're not like the likes of Bahati whatever those big G's. You are just starting. Unaenda na ile moto like mimi na perform my best, you know. Nipige gitani ifinge vizuri hadi you know. So you do your best. This guy ana disappear. After nini measure hii? Unamtafuta msaa huko ame. So I just say I think Kenya industry, music industry ina disappoint us wengi sana. Because ukiangalia most people have talent. Like musician group now talent. You saw the likes of the Gengetone artists. I seen it happen here.
We broke up.
Kina Sailors.
So nile maybe mimi naona nile yes we tumepata do. Sasa mimi hata nilikuwa satisfied na hiyo do, mimi nitafanya nini? Unaona ile hata ile do kidogo unapata unaishia, so bogi na disperse.
So shida wa hiyo greediness. The more African
greediness, but yeah, greediness.
So that's why they fall apart.
Yeah.
And for you, wewe umekuwa na mbogi ile yenye umesema mtawaki this thing together kama mali moja maybe aka.
Yeah, iko sangi. Unajua when we started tulianza like bogi of 15 people. So unapata
15?
Yeah, 15. We used to like tunaenda place, tuna rehearse, but unfortunately when walikuwa serious tukapata tu ya 4 bars. So iko hiyo kibi like it's there.
Niko sure kuna mademo walikuwa part of this.
Always.
Senior, unaona msee apata kadem kageni kapya small nyash now, you know, right? Sasa naona what's the point of going to train or going to rehearse this thing?
Yeah.
But then most men wana losing focus kwenye upande wa mademo, like maybe mko na mission nasema tunataka tuende hivi. But someone once anapata injury.
Yeah, like some of us here. Bro, jana ulikuwa
this person anapenda kunifanya.
Hey, I know.
I'd be at house now with my wife. I'd have one woman. I have a wife now.
Yake ni nini?
Birthday, no. I did not misfocus.
You see?
No.
You can't have a wife afu niambie uji birthday.
Nah, bro, for us you're traditional, old school. We don't focus on minor things like birthdays, Valentine. You know, as long as yako sawa, ameamka, ameenda kuoga, she's done the part of the day. Yeah, ameshawa. It's fine. Like history like I wonder kumbe anasema where's this bro, you okay? He's the simple. Cheki most people wangu wanasema they could have been far. Like musician wengi. Bro anasema ningekuwa mbali in life. Ukimuza wanadhani wanasema hapa maybe haina ile support inatupatia, you know. Ama maybe government to support, but the people who handle the money to go to the artist wanafanya mema. No, wanakulia do. So utasemaje about the government? What should they do to focus more on it?
You know, like there's like MCSK nafaa kudina wasanii unaona. There was a complaint na ili rise. Napata msanii big ka uji ama tuseme sauti so. At the end of the month ile ni kitu anapewa ni thao na. What about mimi mwenye sijatoka bado? What will I get on? So government support my youth by pull up their socks because manze talent na gava kuna vile tu support. Yeah. Because unapata private sectors hizo zina take over. Ukipata like msanii kwa ambassador like let's say Uji was the Monster.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you must make a brand.
Yeah, so huwezi pata like a government G organization imesupport ni hard sana. Na ikiwa ni kitu like for today then
Inasahau.
yeah,
Inaisha.
Oh, that's so unapata msanii famous for
Yeah.
just a little bit of time
Yeah.
ana disappear.
Inaingia chini ya
Nimeona kitu ifanyika Kenya sana.
Wengi,
Most
hadi
people wengi msanii kwa famous disappear. Mwingine anakuja anainuka famous disappear.
Yeah.
It's like gava washikilie
Kwa
ile.
hiyo tushikilie like vile.
Ndio hata mzee anajishikilia juu na uji venye amefungwa na energy basi.
So wanasema ngoji yako huko nini? Ilumi.
Mbona kuna kichele sasa? Nitasema like nani ni Josto kichele ukiona cheda
Tena ni amana.
cheda no
Again,
ay bro you really need that shit kwanza.
No, I don't. For me, I don't. You just know, we know Africans now. The
Africans.
moment you rise to from nowhere.
Si juzi walisema dunia inaisha na wakaspea specific.
Wewe lala usingiza akaona giza kwa usingiza anasema tuna dunish. Mimi nasema hivi. There's something I wanted to say. Imenitoka. Hey, parents. You're an artist, right?
Yeah.
Mimi mtu anapenda play goma in the house.
Yeah.
Sasa masufuriana zipiga mada kuzelewa hata upala. So like, do you think parents also they should have support? Because wengi wanapeleka in school.
Yeah.
Ukiambia mzae, hey dad, mimi ndakuwa artist, ndakuwa musician kama OG. Akoza, hey toy ufala hapa, you know, get out of here. Hey, you go do engineering, piloting. Then at the end of the 4 years, niko kwa mchingu bro na ino magugia. Parents. What can you say about the parents, bro? Like, do your parents support you
Or did they support you at first?
Mimi usema the support inaanza with God and you yourself.
Yeah,
Paro pia at the same time kata wanadai like kusupport ziona kwamba invest in somewhere else.
Yeah. Mkono hizi ona.
As you know, unajua welcome to Africa where
Amen.
they appreciate you after umejulikana.
Yeah.
But when you una struggle chini no one cares.
Amen, bro.
That's
like doing, yeah.
Sasa. Sasa you know
Amen.
Yeah, it's like even of nowadays adai kuona kujua ile struggle unapitia.
Yes.
Adai tu kuona kiroma ama everything kwa.
The money on the table.
Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah. So welcome to Africa. It's you kind of change nowadays, but welcome to Africa. Uta make it like wase watakuba appreciate
when you make it.
when you make it.
Ukiwa down hapo uko solo.
They don't
uko one man.
Yeah, bullshit like
Yeah, hadi wajao.
welcome to Africa.
Welcome to Africa.
Okay, your story ni powerful sana.
Yeah.
Na hii nimeona okay from on my side the way I view these kind of things scenarios inakuja design ya monster like. Unaona kama nilianza peke yangu. One man army. Oh man, nilikuja peke yangu, si ndio? Mimi usai kuja kaniambia. Oh, you know what? I'm your cousin. I'd be your cousin. I'd be your brother. I'd be your mama. I'd be your father.
Yeah.
So bring money to us. The moment you na sacrifice na nafungiwa na struggle na beba gunia kwa mchinku bro, kwanza kesho ni Monday. Parara Monday. Kesho ni
Tomorrow it's Parara Monday officially.
Bro, unaona hiyo kampuni tunafanya kazi man.
Yeah.
Guys, you just seeing the gloomy, you know. The sunshine, you know, you know. Unaona venye ana gloom, eh?
Yeah.
Una say guys, but this
Tomorrow I'll be like, God, Parara.
one day I think to record venye tuna baby hizo manida.
Don't put your name outside.
I need to put it now.
No.
Comment there unataka kujua what we do, you know, what we do
I
during
can't
the
let
day.
them know.
I must let them know my side.
No.
Okay, iko hivi. Today we are doing our thing, right? The MM podcast. We know one day you're gonna make it. Because as you are watching, I know you they watch now. I know the Spirit of God gonna enter your heart. And you go feel it, you go subscribe, you go click that button. Then after maybe 6 months or 2 years,
Smooth.
operator, you're on top there. The girlfriend, your ex, which they left you.
They follow me on TikTok. Niko karibu kufika 10,000.
Unajita.
Smooth operator.
TikTok.
Operator, angekoi operator.
By the kusema handles zako man.
Yeah.
Handles zako on
Ulifollow
Facebook.
TikTok tu.
Na TikTok, Facebook,
Yeah.
Zote the same.
Smooth Operator, Smooth Take Up.
Instagram, Ricky Freaks zote.
Take Up.
Yeah.
Na handle zako by the way, jinsi.
Ado zangu ni FB inajita Willy Moya. Instagram IG Willy Moya. But kwa YouTube I have a band Simple Band 115.
Simple.
Simple
Simple
Band. Simple Band 115 is an app and yeah, you can subscribe and share.
Yeah, guys, so niko nasema hivi. The struggle, man. You can feel it. I can feel it. You can feel it, right? Every man go sure they always feel that struggle.
Yeah.
Then when you make it, bro, on my side, no, there's, bro, I can't pay a person who did help me, who didn't support me, gratitude they don't deserve. Unasemaje hapo?
Ni kweli. Ni kweli.
Unajua like
Like kuomoke alafu pia tokea utomnona akamwambia bro mimi ni bro yako
Ndio kasini.
unajua like unaweza kuwa like they never supported you.
Yeah.
Yet your bro amekaa.
Yeah.
Kuna shit na nini. Will you rewind chenye like up
Let him handle that shit, bro. Kwani mimi nilikuwa
Yeah. Bro, you know the feeling. Mimi my feel kitu. Ndakujua pia the meme story of Butela Matenge. You guys go feel it. Unapigia mzee simu huko. Landlord anailock padlock now. They put padlock on the door. You they beg landlord now, help me. They look you eye to eye. They tell that they not be your parent. You see? Unapigia bro ama unapigia madhe, unajua msaizi niangusha. Money there's money in the bank. Anakuambia, yeah, what thing you don't want Butela? When I get some like, yeah, papa now, they lock my door, they lock my house now. Anakuambia, you are a man, an African man, as long as you pick 18, you are capable of doing job and taking care of yourself. Imagine situation kama hii, ufungiwe 3 days outside the house. Upate friend kama Smooth Operator akweke, atafute kazi, upate job, uanze kustruggle, hapa na pale. 2 years later, boom, the dog, Butela Matenge, ako everywhere, in the media. Then you say, guys,
mwana wanje. Unasemaje mwana wanje?
Umwana wangi.
Umwana wangi.
Guys, the time is running out, but we appreciate, bro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your guy Butela Matenge.
Rico Smooth Operator.
And one and the only guest we had, man, the best guitarist in town. Guys, support these guys, man. It's Simple Band on YouTube.
and Willy Moya platform zote kila mahali Willy Moya.
We shall launch you again, man.
Yeah, thanks.
See you guys. We hope you shall like and share and subscribe. It's your boy. It's your guys. M&M Podcast.
Yeah.
Peace.